Today I'm shooting 3 looks at 3 locations in one park using only natural light and 1 lens. So we started the shoot here on this tennis court, which worked really well because the outfit had a tennis aesthetic to it. The lighting was already pretty nice, but I did try bringing in a continuous light just to see if I could shape things a little better, but honestly it didn't really change anything as the sun was way too overpowering. So for most of this section we just stick with available light and focus on getting clean compositions. For this shoot I'm keeping things really simple. Everything I shot is on the A7IV with the Sigma 50mm 1.4, which is one of my favourite portrait lenses because it gives a really natural look and great background separation. Shooting on the 50mm wide open helps a lot because it really gives a nice separation between the subject and the background, even in a pretty open location like this. About halfway through the shoot, I had the model throw a jumper over her shoulders. It's a really simple styling change, but little adjustments like that can give you extra variety in the shoot without needing a full outfit change. That's something I try and do a lot, just small tweaks that slightly shift the look while keeping the shoot moving. It's the same thing with this location. It can be used in many different ways to get even more variety. So I've shot the model standing by the net, sitting on the bench and sitting on the floor. Not only am I getting 3 locations in one park, I'm also getting 3 different sets on this tennis court. For this second look, we moved over to these really wide stairs in the park. They almost look like the stairs of an amphitheatre, which made them a really interesting background. The outfit here had this netted texture, so the idea was to keep the compositions clean and use the lines of the stairs to frame the shot. One of the nice things about shooting on stairs like this is how easily you can change perspective. You can shoot from below, above or straight on, and each angle feels like a slightly different scene. Again, everything here was just natural light moving around until the direction of the light felt right.
That one light down. Yeah, I think.
I'm so glad you chose me. You're my one and only. Love remains a mystery. There is something we just can't deny, that we can't put to words. I don't know why. It's in the feeling, energy, the vibe.
For the final look, we moved over to this stream running through the park. The outfit here was this blue dress, which reminded me of Cinderella, and the whole location had this really soft, almost fairy tale kind of atmosphere. The water, the trees, the light coming through, everything just worked nicely with the mood of the outfit. So that was 3 different outfits at 3 locations in one park. Sometimes the best shoots aren't about having loads of gear, it's about finding good light, a good location, a good model, and keeping things simple. If you like this kind of portrait photography behind the scenes, subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Told you that I'm leaving, juices!